Complete cotton candy kit, included is everything you need to make sweet and fluffy cotton candy, makes up to 42 cones. Pink vanilla flossing sugar, 1, 7 ounces, jar of pink vanilla flavored cotton candy sugar. Blue raspberry flossing sugar, 1, 7 ounces, jar of blue raspberry flavored cotton candy sugar. Strawberry flossing sugar, 1, 7 ounces, jar of strawberry flavored cotton candy sugar. Included accessories: floss sugar onto the 4 reusable colored cones, then cover with one of the 10 clear plastic bags and secure with the included twist ties. Perfect for use with any nostalgia cotton candy maker. The cotton candy kit is a fun, convenient, and easy way to make sweet, sugary cotton candy from the comfort of home. Designed to be used with all nostalgia cotton candy makers. Top reviews from the United States. We enjoy it. We bought the party kit to use with our nostalgia cotton candy machine. It works well enough. You don't get huge amounts of cotton candy like at a fair. It makes a little at a time, but it's fun and it tastes good. My daughter and I were well pleased and take it out once in a while to make a little. It is a bit of a mess to clean up, but this candy works so much better than using hard candy in the machine. It melts and fluffs up just right where the candy is kind of hit or miss, and we couldn't get it nearly as fluffy. We tried Jolly Ranchers and Lifesavers. We also thought this candy tasted better than the hard candies for the cotton candy. So, yeah, it costs more, but we think it's worth it. We just don't have it as often.